tell you how this laser security alarm works. This is a laser security alarm which contains a laser light and a LDR circuit. Here you can see the LDR circuit from the inside. And there is a LDR sensor which detects the light, and this buzzer buzzes when there is a break in this laser. You can see that the laser is slightly focused to the sensor. Yeah. And now, when a person enters like this, to move into the house, then you can see it buzzes.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rehan Sharif, I am from 9th class. Today I have made this Arduino radar. Arduino radar, this is actually used in Air Force stations for this is also used in ATC, air traffic control. It detects any object which comes from the air using this radar. In this I have used a servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino, and I have coded the Arduino using the language C++. In this Arduino, I have coded the servo motor as it turns 180 degrees. Using the Java code here, I have coded the ultrasonic sensor to detect the object which comes near it, and it shows the angle and the distance here. As you can see, if any object is coming from distance, it detects as a red, and we can see the distance here and the angle here. Thank you.
This is called an automatic door, and here we have used PIR sensor, Arduino Uno, and servo motor. The PIR sensor detects the motion and sends the motion to the servo motor, and the servo motor opens the door. We use the language C++ in Arduino Uno. When the PIR sensor detects a motion, the servo motor opens the door.